Alright, so I got some cookies from Walmart. They was $1.50 plus tax. I know if y'all, comment down below if y'all remember these. I don't remember how they taste. I don't think I had them before, but I'm about to taste them. They smell like coconut, but they was at Walmart for $1.50. They got the little Christmas thing on there. Look at it. Hold on, I'm about to see. Look at them. This look like a pretzel, but they smell like coconut. Hopefully they good. Yep, they taste like coconut to me. Good. Tastes just like coconut.